Good morning and welcome to Cape Bike. Today I wanted to look at swapping out the visor on the LS2 Carbon Explorer. So this is my adventure helmet that I recently purchased. Really like this helmet. And what I have from Biker's Warehouse is two new visors. One is a smoked visor and the other is a iridium blue. The cost of these visors was 250 Rand each, and we'll be fitting those and going into a bit of detail of how to remove the old visor. It is literally just two Allen screws, one this side, one that side. The Allen key size is a 3mm, and let's get to it. Okay, so this is the box that came from Biker's Warehouse. It looks very well packaged. Lots of bubble wrap. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. This one is the, what is that? Iridium silver. That's the iridium silver one. And then this one is the tinted, just a plain tinted. Okay, so step one is going to be loosening off that screw there. We'll do that now. That's the one side done. Turn the helmet around. Here's the second one. They're just finger tight, they're not very tight. Undo that one. Grab the visor. And there it is. Off. Visor is off. And there it is. Two screws, very quick to take off, and there they are there. Those are 3mm Allen keys. Okay, so fitting the new visor is real simple. You just pull the side away a little bit like that. You can see this round hole here fits over that section there, like that. You can see it fits perfect. Hold that over the top, and then just get that screw in place and then screw it in. So as you can see, it's quite a simple process. You just turn until it's just finger tight. That's that side done. And then we'll just swap it around to the other side, and we'll repeat the process here. Just lift this away, put that into the correct position, get your screw so it goes into the little hole. Once it's in the hole, hold like that, and then just screw in. I'm trying to show you guys. And again, it's just finger tight. There we go, like that, finger tight. And there it is, fitted. Up, close, locks, unlocks. Perfect. Now to take off the plastic peel. Take that off. There we go. Okay, that's the process. Literally took probably, because I was filming, probably took about 5-10 minutes, but I mean, literally, if you're just doing it on your own without having to bugger around with cameras, this is a really quick process. A couple of minutes maximum. It's literally a 3mm Allen key that side, 3mm Allen key on the other side, and you're done. That's it. Very quick. Really like the look of that helmet. It looks good.